Hey everyone, Helen, your emotion code and body code certified practitioner, coming to you from the Inside Out Institute. Great to have you along for a brand new series where we're talking about how to heal from our emotional trauma. So this is a biggie for so many people. They're carrying around a lot of baggage on their backs, and perhaps that's you yourself. So if you or any of your family are doing that, then I would love to have you follow my series this week as we talk about some ways that you can help overcome this emotional trauma and maybe get that monkey off your back a little bit. And today, we're talking about breath and breathing because, a lot of people think emotional trauma comes from your past. And, that's correct. It can certainly be from your past, but it can also be right here and now in your present, like here today. It could be in your work environment where you're getting triggered and you're just feeling super stressed and traumatized by it. Could be in your home environment. Maybe you've got a lot of emotional stuff going down there, either with your partner or the kids or a combination of both. And, life is pretty chaotic for you. So, what I want to talk about today is just how a really simple, effective breathing technique can really just help just take everything down a level or two and really just help you take control of that situation when you're right in the midst of it. So the breathing technique is 4-8-7. So you breathe in for 4, right, for the count of 4, then you hold it for a count of 8, and then you release it for a count of 7. And you do this 3 times. And you just slowly work your way through it. And you'll suddenly feel that you've just moved from a space of being really super stressed to a space where you can actually start thinking again and think your way out of the situation that's happening for you here and now. So that's a really good one. If you struggle with the 4-8-7, maybe start off with a 4-4-4, so in for 4, hold for 4, out for 4. This is also a really, really good breathing technique to help you get to sleep at night as well. But it just is just slowing everything down. You're getting oxygenation right throughout your body, and it's working on the somatic system and just calming you right down. Now, in as a body co-practitioner, and a holistic healer, we have a mantra that we say in that. Anything can cause anything. So it's not so straightforward. You may kick your toe on the door, but actually, you could feel the pain somewhere else because, it's traveled up and maybe affected your knee or something like that. So we never know what causes anything. Anything can cause anything, is basically what I'm trying to say there. So if we think about that, and if you are a person that feels like you've got an elephant on your chest, you can't breathe, it's this huge tightness on your chest, then, having a breathing technique is not always, easy for you to do because you can't even get that breath in to begin with. So, when we use the body code in particular, what we can do is take a look at any sort of imbalances or things that are happening around. And it may be like there's an imbalance in your lungs that we can remove that would just, lighten that whole feeling. Or it may be something that's affecting your muscles, in your chest, and your ribs, in your chest. Or it could even be related to your heart. But how it manifests is like this feeling like there's an elephant on your chest. So there's a number of different ways. So what we can do is actually sort of like peel back a few layers, ask the right questions, and drill down, to work out what may be underlying that feeling for you. But, the good one, if you can do it, and if you can do it every hour, practice that breathing technique. But I realize, a lot of us have got things to do and it may not fit into our schedules. So certainly, if you can, try to do that breathing exercise at least twice a day, morning and evening, and just take note of how you're feeling. And, and when you get into a stressful situation, use that as your go-to first and foremost. Just think to yourself, breathe in for 4, hold for 8, out for 7. And you'll be absolutely amazed if you're doing that for 3 times, just how your stress levels will just lower. So that's what day 1 is all about, how to use the power of your breath to help you get back in control of things. So as always, fantastic having you along, joining me for these videos, and I look forward to seeing you next time. So take care and have yourself a great day.